starting off in the 70s, a couple of spots in the 60s this morning. No complaints, right? 70 in Lakeland as well as Brooksville. I know Crystal River's back in the upper 60s for you first thing this morning. 76 in St. Pete, 74 in Tampa. Still a little humid outside. Really what's going to happen is we're going to take these dew point temperatures, which are really kind of in the lower 70s, and we're going to bring them down to the low to mid 60s. That's it. But it will be a noticeable difference is what I'm trying to tell you. And this is going to happen over the weekend. So later today, you'll start to feel some of that drier air come in, and you'll really notice it tomorrow and again on Sunday. It's because this big mess, this potential tropical cyclone working its way up toward the Carolinas and on the counterclockwise flow, guess what? Here comes that north wind. So for us, that north wind dries us out. For these folks, it's going to be a very wet and kind of stormy weekend right along the North Carolina coast, the Outer Banks. This is not going to be anything major, but, 50, 60 mile per hour winds, some very heavy rain from just east of Raleigh all the way up through potentially the D.C. area or just east of D.C. So we'll watch that for those folks, but for us, it's kind of helping us, which is ironic. It's bringing that drier air in. So partly cloudy, turning drier, 90 degrees for your high today. Tonight, overnight lows back to 72. Listen, if Tampa's going to go 72, inland and north, you're back in the 60s tonight. Thumbs up. Clouds and sunshine, warm, dry tomorrow with your high of around 90. Moderate chop today, moderate chop tomorrow, light chop for boaters on Sunday. We'll be in the upper 80s to around 90 for the next 7 days. That's not going to change. After Sunday, though, the moisture quickly returns and the rain chances due for much of next week as well.